What's up guys, today I'm going to show you how to make an app that is making 50k a month in just literally a couple of minutes. As you can see, the app is exactly what the reference was, and we made this without writing any single line of code. It's going to be a very easy to follow, so let's get started. Alright, so as you can see, this app called Imposter is making 50k a month. And actually the app is very simple. You create a party group, you add all of the names that are playing the game, and then some random person gets assigned as the imposter, and the others just give clues of what the word might be. So we're gonna be making the simple version of this in just literally a couple of minutes. So in order to create this app, we will use anything AI. So just type anything AI on your browser and you'll find this. Simply log in with your Google account and let's get into it, okay? This is an AI app builder, so we will not need to build any code. So simply describe the app idea that we have. We want to create an imposter app. And as a hack, I'm gonna go simply into the actual imposter app store and simply copy the description. And that's it. Literally, okay? That's it. Paste it in, and this is what we want. And now let's click on the icon over here, and then actually anything AI will start to create the app. Now we just need to wait. And yes, you can see right now anything AI is creating all of the code that we need and showing us a preview of how this will end up looking. Obviously it hasn't finished, that's why it's giving us this error message, but in no time we'll have it. And on top of that, with anything AI, you can also scan it with your phone and test it on your phone so you can see exactly how it would look in the App Store. Okay, so as you can see, anything AI has actually completed the tasks, and I created a complete imposter mobile game. So it actually explains to you the whole game flow. So we have the lobby, the game setup, the role, and all the key features, game mechanics, and everything. But obviously, let's jump in directly into the actual preview. So this is how the app looks right now. We got imposter, are you the imposter, or will you expose them? And we actually have a little kind of guide how we want to play, and then we can actually start to create a new game. And we enter the player names, so it can be like, name 1, name 2, name 3, right? We can even increase or decrease the number of players, which is crazy. And then basically we start the game, and the first one is to tap to reveal, and then you see it. The next one again, but this time it's the imposter, and then the next one has the word, and then you actually start with it. So this is literally the game. I mean, this is literally the game. Okay, if you haven't played Imposter, download it on your phone, because it's literally what we build is that game. So if you want to go ahead and try it out for yourselves, go ahead. But that's how you actually can start making insane apps in literally a couple of minutes. And obviously, if you wanted to change anything, you can just here and update it. So for example, I could go right here and say, perfect, just make the UI more modern. And now anything AI will start to just make the UI more modern. In this case, that was a terrible prompt, because first of all, the app is kind of already modern. Second of all, we're not giving context on what and similar, but you get me. You can really start to just vibe code and just type what you want and get instant results. And by the way, if you want to learn how to make the best apps with AI, join my free school community, which is linked in the description, where you can access a lot of free resources like prompts, guides, and all this stuff, which is essential when making apps with AI.